This is a KLA 10-core P16 Plus. In most cases, you will see this as the main screen. This is what you'll see when you approach the computer. You might see the program screen, which is this. If I close or X out of that, the surface of the wafer. Okay, and we will see how we do. Okay. Now, if you see that the spinner is a little bit uneven, you may turn it. That the program is on recipe 2, and it is. And I will step on the pedal. And what we'll see is a very slow initial spin, 500 RPMs, and then ramping up to the appropriate speed.
So the nice thing about immersion lithography, you improve the resolution and also improve the depth of focus. Now, so you extend the lithography. If you think about it, this is your wafer, and you take your this is your lens. This is your wafer. If you want to use immersion lithography, you have to design your optics that the bottom should be relatively flat. You cannot make a curved lens at the bottom. You need to design your optical system to be flat at the bottom. You can put a liquid, so you can actually convert existing lengths and resolution remain the same and increase depth of focus.
We can see that here this area compared to this one is less large. Is an area that doing the calculation we can obtain about 8.7 microamperes. In this case, applying 2 electron volts, this gives us a current of 18.95 microamperes. So, analyzing the transmission spectrum.
All the other cells are in the null state. So, as soon as we release the clock, then the information is propagated. But this time, the amount of energy necessary is slower, and also the information propagation is faster, and the total amount of energy required is smaller. And not only, also the correctness of the information propagation is assured, and a much longer wire or much longer propagation is assured. At least this is what theory.
Depend on the materials that the gate is done and on the thickness of the gate. Again, I can reconsider this structure, and we can say that the gate stack and the thickness of this dielectric can be few nanometers.
1 for Y. Delete 1 hydrogen on the right to obtain a thiol group. Save the file.
Okay. And like I mentioned previously, I am wearing another 2-layer of gloves. These are my nitrile gloves, and underneath I have my latex gloves, so I'm completely protected from most of the hazardous chemicals with my remaining set of gloves. Okay? Now, remove the face mask.